Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to lock Facebook profile, and now let's dive right in. Now to lock Facebook profile, first open up your Facebook app, and from over here guys, in order to lock your Facebook profile, at the top left corner of the screen you can see your profile picture icon just below the home icon or beside what's on your mind. Tap on the profile picture icon at the top left, and over here guys you can see a bunch of options available over here. Now in order to lock our profile picture, or in order to lock our Facebook profile, you can see the three dotted icons where it says add to story, edit profile, and the three dotted icon. Tap on that three dotted icon, and over here guys, the moment you land over here, you can see your lock profile option available just below the view as. But guys, if you don't have this option, it might be because your professional mode on Facebook is turned on. Make sure to turn off your professional mode on Facebook, and after that this option will also be available. Now in order to proceed, tap on lock profile, and again tap on the lock profile at the bottom of the screen, and you can see guys it says you locked your profile. And guys, this is how to lock Facebook profile on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.